little bit scared that we're going to hit the ground.
So there's a big reef just here. It's not on our map. Don't undress me in front of people.
Sorry, coming back up.
Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Ours is, I think, it's pretty as close as dreams get. Good morning. Today we are doing a small sail from one San Blas Island to another. We have a pick between a secret spot told to us by some locals and another island called Nunidup. We think. Navionics is an absolute joke around the San Blas Islands. Like everywhere else on the planet, it's been great for us, but around the San Blas Islands, it falls short in a big way. So if anybody runs OpenCPN, this is a place to have OpenCPN.
We can't have it because we have an iPhone and an iPad.
Yeah, we need to put it on the computer. Yeah. But yeah, it's gonna be a bit risky sailing around, and actually the sky, the sun is not out, so it's gonna be even more risky, kind of trying to spot the reefs.
Especially the secret spot.
You can't get in there because it's just surrounded by reefs on Navionics.
But OpenCPN, it is actually a little passage through it, and it's 2 meters, and that's where we dropped.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be exciting.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna go there.
No, we'll see.
All right, let's get sailing.
Hey guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the little bell to keep up with everything that we're doing.
Coming out of Green Island, the wind was quite strong at around 20 knots. We only took out half the mainsail and all the headsail, and we cruised at about 5 knots. Young Isabel downstairs. Old Isabel, she's giving me a weird face. Young? Old? We got some bread. Oh! Baby! Bring it to me, baby! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Woo. Look, what do we got going on here? Oh baby.
I got recipes from our new friends, Maria and Lucas.
Lovely. Oh yeah, can I have some? Oh, baby, so crispy, so delicious. Girls got skills! Girls got skills!
So there's a big reef just here. I don't know if you can see it. It's not on our map at all. According to our map, it's supposed to be 30 meters there, and it's a reef. Looks quite shallow. Right there. What do you reckon, Captain?
This is where the secret spot is. But
at least the sun's out.
The sun is out over here. I'm a little bit scared that without the proper charts we're going to hit the ground or not know the way into this particular secret spot. So I was just coming in here to have a look, and we don't like it. Our friends are going to another spot closer to Linton Bay, and so we'll just head over there.
Enjoying your little piece of bread there? So what happened?
So we heard about this secret spot, which a lot of people were talking about. And it's really good for spearfishing and snorkeling, and we went and checked it out, but our maps are not sufficient for this area, and to be honest, it didn't look that crash hot. I'm sure under the water it would have been amazing, but we have to do a big sail tomorrow, and so we're going to sail to an island which will it will shorten our distance tomorrow morning for the big sail tomorrow. So we're going to sail to an island called
Chichime.
Chichime. We've just seen all these shelves of reef, and it's a bit scary, you know, because you think your map's accurate, and then there's just a big reef in the middle of nowhere which is not on your map. Scary stuff. Trying to keep to a schedule, unfortunately this would be our last sail through the San Blas Islands. Only spending 2 weeks in the untouched paradise felt very rushed, but we made a promise to each other that we would return again one day. Chichime is the westmost island of the Holandeses cays. In a normal season, it is home to the best parties of the San Blas Islands. But now, during virus times, we had it mostly to ourselves, with only a few other boats in the anchorage. I'm done looking over my shoulder. This past time won't help me getting over it.
Okay. Did you like my new shirt?
Can I have my shirt?
I just found it on the seat there.
This is the one I want to wear.
It just really suits me, don't you think?
Thank you very much. You could pass me this bad boy now.
Don't undress me in front of people.
Sorry. Let me cover you back up. Is that better?
What are we doing, Kieran?
We are just going to row across to this island and check it out. I have been for a surf today. I had a 3-4 foot wave completely to myself, and it's been a good day so far. And then I came back for a sleep.
Yeah.
That was quite nice. And now I've woken up and we are going to row over to this little island right here. There we get some kuna bread.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, the kunas make some delicious bread. Sorry, the kunas are the locals here, and they make some delicious bread.
Yes.
So we're
We've had some already.
A lot.
It keeps us in like
good dealings with them.
Yeah.
So we're not just like...
I bought the anklet too, so yeah, we're just gonna explore this island and then off tomorrow.
Called the Isabel Kieran shirt. See? 2 people, 1 shirt. 2 birds, 1 stone. Come on, Isabel, what are we doing? Let's go.
Okay. Yep. Ah! Let's go, Captain. Yeah, did you like that?
Oh, man. Darling. Row your boat gently down the stream.
Merrily, life is but a dream.
Ours is. I think. It's pretty as close as dreams get.
Oh, I scared it.
Should we go around? What was that? Little dance move going on.
No, I was gonna make one of those stupid photos when someone just like...
Do it again. Give me another go. Give me a look.
Did I pull it off?
You killed it. Killed it. Good work. Wow.
I don't know if they're the kunas or...
Yeah, the kunas will charge you for sure. Coconuts are in abundance on these little islands, but unfortunately, if you want to take them, you have to pay $2-3 US to the kunas because it is their islands, I guess. Which is fine. They're all pretty nice people and we haven't had any issues. But yeah, if they see you taking a coconut, you're in for a couple of dollars. Which is fun. What I always dreamt of, Isabel.
There's sand in it.
Oh, perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Beautiful. Okay, so we just got back to the boat. Isabel has started cooking pizzas, and let me show you her style. Ooh, baby, look at those.
This is the
boyfriend box.
Caribbean fashion.
The boyfriend boxes, hey? What's cooking good looking?
We are making a pizza.
Pizza? What type of pizza?
Well, it's not the normal kind because we didn't have any tomatoes or tomato sauce. So we are making, I don't know, a vegetable mix with
Isabel's special
mushies.
pizza. Love it.
I think it'll taste good anyway.
Yes. Yes. This one. These videos are proudly made possible by our patrons. If you'd like to be part of the crew, check out the link in the description below. Cheers, guys. Welcome, guys.
Welcome.
This is the end of the episode where we want to acknowledge the people that support us, the people that make these videos possible, our patrons.
And our new crew.
Yes, so the names you're about to hear are all of the people who have just signed up in the last month, and we want to shout them out right now. Isabel.
Yes. We have quite a few names, so I'm just going to get right to it. We want to thank Alan R., Thomas C., Miles D., Cletus D., Rick R., Dan S., Paul W.
Sorry, I just want to make a little adjustment there. It's Miles O.
Oh,
Miles, I've been
apologize.
chatting to you. we haven't forgot your last name. My names, which I'll be reading out, Arc Minute, Fernando, Dusty R, Dennis, Trish T, Patrick D, JS, Cool, how do you pronounce that? Kualo? Kualo S, you'll see that written down just here.
Yes.
John S, and Sailing Kodiaks.
We believe.
We believe that's
Yes.
how you pronounce it. We want to thank you so much, guys, for jumping on board. It means the world, and we want to let you know how much we appreciate you. I send a message to every single patron that signs up, and I'm trying to talk to all of you. So please keep an eye out for a message, and thank you for making this possible.
Yes, thank you so much, guys. We appreciate it a lot.
We appreciate it so much.